Stateside, the side guy, and Remington. Today we're going to learn about states of matter, like solids or liquids and gases. So what is an example of a solid? A solid is something that is rigid. That means it has a fixed shape. Like this deer, like this mango, and like this cup. I made an example of a solid. And how about a liquid? Liquids are not rigid. That means they don't have their own shape. They take the shape of their container. Some examples are milk, juice, and water. I need help with showing you an example of a gas. I know! Like air, which is all around us, carbon dioxide, which we breathe, and hydrogen. Thanks, Remy. Gases are also not rigid. They don't have a shape, and most of the time, they're invisible. Water can be all three states of matter. Normal water is a liquid. When it's frozen in ice, it's a solid. When it's heated, it evaporates into a gas. The gas is called water vapor. You can see it on the edge of the glass. To make water into ice, it goes through something called freezing. To make ice into water, that's melting. Like Teddy said, when it's heated and turns into gas, it's called evaporation. When the evaporated water comes together, it's called condensation. Sometimes the gas can turn immediately into ice. That's called sublimation. Sometimes the ice can turn immediately into gas, and that's called deposition. Today we're going to do an experiment for a liquid turning into a solid. Get ready, it's gonna be tasty. For this experiment, you will need ice, salt, juice, a small zippy bag, and a big zippy bag. You're also going to need some mussels. First, carefully put the juice inside the zippy bag. You want to zip it up and get as much air out as possible. Now put the ice inside this big Ziploc bag. Now pour some salt into the ice. Where's the salt? Make sure your small zippy bag is still very tight. Now put the small zippy bag inside the bag of ice. Seal the big bag. The next step is to shake it up. When salt is added to the ice, it lowers the freezing point, making the salty ice mixture colder than ice alone. We shook our bags for about 5 minutes. We asked our mom for help. After a few minutes of shaking, check their juice. Stirring the juice frequently ensures that the frozen parts mix with the liquidy parts, making a yummy slushy mix. It should turn into a solid. Make sure you get off all the salty water. The last step is to open it up and enjoy. Pretty good. Try this at home for a cool, sciencey summer treat. The side guy.